Hey everybody, Jeff Kasmer. It is Wednesday, June 27th, 2018. And on my last video, I meant to do a second video that day, but got distracted with some other stuff. So I wanted to do a video on bad Facebook marketing. However, I have a little bit of a different tune to that because I have come across something that I want to share with everybody. And it has to do with Facebook marketing, but it also has to do with scammers. So um, if you want to subscribe, I took the wrong finger away. Subscribe to my channel down here. If you want to get on board, I am a Forex trader and a network marketer with IML, and I absolutely love the company. If you want to get on board, if you even want to get into our Facebook group with our team members as well as prospective customers, just reach out to me. You can reach out to me on Instagram, Jeff Kasmer. You can reach out to me at Twitter. You can reach out to me at Facebook. There's my big old ugly face. And so I wanted to do a video today on Facebook marketing. So this is going to be kind of neat. It's going to be creative. It's going to be interesting. So what I wanted to do is I got approached. Part of bad Facebook marketing is just getting friend requests and then getting hit on for businesses. Okay, so let me get this aboard. So I got this particular customer reaching out to me. Okay, so I kind of want to review this. So I got this particular person reaching out to me. Senior account manager, binary options, minor at Bitcoin, went to this different school, lives in San Fran, from Norway, Maine. Believe it or not, I did some research. There is a Norway, Maine, because it just threw up a red flag. Okay, Norway, Maine, it just seemed to throw up a red flag, okay? So I want to kind of go to my messengers, see all messengers so you can see. I've had a conversation with this particular person, okay? So I want to kind of review this. Okay, so this person reaches out to me, okay? I'm Mr. Stenfon, an expert miner. I'm from Russia, but I'm currently in California for my business. So he's from Russia. He's expert miner, but he's in California, but he's from Norway, Maine. Okay, so there's flags already coming up with me because it's just too many different places. Okay, so he reaches out to me when he becomes friends. I'm like, okay, well, first of all, you need to see me when I say this. Okay, don't friend request somebody and then immediately try to sell them on something. Hey, how you doing? Hey, you want to trade? Are you an expert miner, Bitcoin? No, you should never do that. Okay, so he does that, and I already trade my friend, so I answer him his question. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm done city here, okay? He's trying to obviously propose on Forex trading. If you would spend the time to look at my Facebook, you would know, okay, that I'm a trader, okay? So then he says hello, like the next day, yeah. How you doing? Good. So I kind of continue the conversation because now I'm kind of curious to see where it's going, okay? So there it is. Bam! Right away, man. Bam! Here it is, man. This is what I do. This is how much I make. You invest this, you're going to make $1 million. Blah, 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 blah. Okay? So I respond. This is yesterday. Okay, again, I have no read these. Okay? I'm not investing $10,000 with this person. But I want to see, this is kind of a test subject. I want to see how this goes. Okay? So I'm going to invest $10,000, tell me what to do. So it took almost a full day, okay, for him to get back to me. Create an account in a broker which will be used to trade for you. I'm an expert trader. Teach how to get. See, this person never even looked at my profile. If you look at my profile, you can see that I'm involved in trading Forex, okay? So that's kind of frustrating in itself. So then I'm kind of busy doing my business. You read but no response. Are you busy? So I said be with you in a few, and that's because you're with me, so I'm going to respond, okay? So what I'm going to ask him is, so if I have a broker, you want access to my account? And let's see what he says. And of course, it'd help if I would spell it correctly. So he hasn't read it yet. He's going to, but let me go right back to. Let me go right back to. As soon as I pop it up here, give me a second. Okay, boom, boom, boom. I just want to try to get a second window. Okay. A little slow today. Okay, so now you're ready. You saw the check mark, right? Okay, so I'm just going to wait till he responds. Okay. All right, so anyway, so then I'm going back to his profile. Now, as you can see, okay, it looks like a family. Seems reasonable. Of course, this was a concern to me, but there is actually a Norway, Maine. So he's living in San Francisco, but he's from Russia, but he's from Norway, Maine. Okay, well, I thought he was from Russia. Okay. So I'm going to, get a couple posts, not much. He's got some pictures of family, okay, which could be still him. Yeah, I'm not questioning anything, but here's my concern. Pops up. Great pictures, family, looking like living a luxurious lifestyle, fantastic. Okay, so I see this picture. Okay, this is Stefan Andrew. Okay, if I blow this picture up, look at this name tag. What does it say? It says Jeff. Okay, so his name Jeff, Stefan, Andrew Stefan, Jeffrey, Andrew. What is it? Okay, so needless to say, something's not right here. And again, so I look at all these pictures, and they're all fine. This is family pictures. This is certainly a real person with family pictures. But the question is, the other thing I wanted to show you real quick that I saw, hold on a second. Now he's responded, so we'll get back to him in a second, is about. Okay? And now he could have done this wrong. He could have put in the wrong date, 1983. Okay? Now, this is a man that's in his late 40s or 50s. He wasn't born in 1983. Okay, so it just throws up all kinds of flags. Okay? So let me go back to him. Okay. No, can you just answer my questions here? Tell me how you have access to my broker account. Okay, so I want that question answered. Okay, I don't know what the WhatsApp for. I mean, I know what it is, of course, but I want to know why he's asking that. So this continues. Okay, so anyway, let me go back here. So anyway, all legitimate. Now here's the next flag that comes up. Okay, now I didn't see this when I accepted the friend request. He only has 6 friends. Okay, that's all he's got. Now I know Facebook is a younger group. Okay. But he seems fairly popular with family and all that good stuff, so I would think he's got more friends. So anyway, so then there's a post about here. Invest in binary options, never depend on single income, blah, 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 blah. Okay, great. Inbox me for him. Okay. So then I wanted to look up one of his people. Okay, just curious. Okay. A Williams Scott. Great. He's got all this stuff, Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now, granted, with the privacy posts, I might not get to see everything, and he's even got trade with caution down here. But isn't it weird that, I mean, he's followed by 231 people, so that's a decent indicator. There's nothing else really here. Photos. That's it. So that worries me. Probably a real person, right? He doesn't even he fills some of the stuff out on Facebook. It just gives me pause. Could be a real person that's really investing. It's not really about Facebook. No question about it. Okay? It just gives me pause. Okay? So, those are my concerns about this particular person. Okay? So, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to see if he answers. And let me get back to here. So, anyway. So as you can see, this is probably not somebody that, even if I was interested, I would do business with. And people, you have to be careful on Facebook, okay? You have to be careful on all kinds of marketing online, okay? There's too many flags for that particular person. There just is. There's too many non-facts. I almost want to ask him, is your name Jeff or Stefan? And see what he says, okay? If you want a real company that you can trade with, because there's so many different options with the WhatsApp, and then you get it on Telegram. You get all these people who can be traders, and there's definitely some good ones. One of the best companies I've been involved with, IML, for almost a year now, is fantastic. Okay, you get an app. You can get a couple apps depending on which package you get. So you get the SwipeTrade app. You can get the swipecoin app, which is right near my middle finger here because it's not the best view. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. And the MetaTrader 4 app. Okay. You can get those apps and you can start trading and making money right away without knowing anything about Forex. Nothing. Okay. So it's fantastic. We have the #1 team in the company. And the reason we have the #1 team in the company is because we have a particular private Facebook group where we will help you if you run into any stumbling blocks. The IML back office with training is absolutely fantastic. But even myself, who's been making money online for 18 years, trying to get set up the broker and all that, can sometimes, okay, I'm not connecting this step with this step. How do I do it? That's what that group's for. And then once you get going, the swipe trade, once you learn how to input the numbers, it's literally swipe. Okay? So anyway, if you're interested, you can reach me on Facebook, subscribe to my channel. There's a link there where we offer you a free strategy. Take the link, wrong hand, take the link and watch that free strategy. Okay? And we can get you on board and get you inside our group, and no cost associated by taking a peek inside our group. And then if you say, hey, I want to go for it, then you reach back to me, I send you a link, and we get you going, okay? So let me go back here, because we only got a couple more minutes, and he's like, okay, calm down. Interesting. I am calm. Okay? So this gives me pause. Okay, calm down. I want you to answer my question, and he's not answering my question. Okay? So I don't know if he's going to answer it or not. Okay? So we might have to finish this in video 2. Oh, he's typing. Nope, he read it. So let's see what he says. Okay? And we only got a couple more minutes. So this conversation, again, part of this is it's almost a waste of time. You just should unfriend him. See ya. Bye-bye. Okay? Because you don't want to be associated. People see friend. Well, that's not a real person. That's not a real person. So he'll get unfriended here by me at the end of this conversation. But I'm doing it not to kind of throw him out there, because that's not really what it's about. It's just trying to educate you on Facebook scammers, okay? And if you're especially Forex Facebook scammers. In fact, that's probably going to be the title of this video when I'm done. So just remember, if you're looking for a reputable company, we have it. I absolutely love what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm very passionate about really helping people, because you can just trade and make a ton of money. I try to do both. I trade, and then I do the network marketing component because I like helping people. So it's not like I'm getting $1 million by referring people. So, but we're building a fantastic team. We have some of the top people in the company on our specific team. In fact, my personal mentor is a 7-figure earner. Fantastic. So you get access to get inside there, and there's videos and there's webinars and there's all kinds of things that we do to try to help you become successful. So anyway, so he's not going to respond yet, and he's read this, okay? My last look, okay? So I'm kind of done with that, okay? Maybe I'll do a part 2. We'll see. Anyway, so that's it for today. Hopefully you learned something. Stay away from Facebook scammers, and if you want to get on board, reach out to me. Take care.